we started doing the missions, you continue giving blessings to others, and then the blessings still continue to be poured upon us. To my colleagues, mga doctors, to my partners, the nurses, to the dentists, no? To our other volunteers. Firstly, thank you. We really appreciate na nakakatulong tayo. I think it's the compassion and the willingness to be able to help others that bring out the best in people. But at the end of the day, when you see the happy faces, para yung kanina, we did a surgery on a patient. All the way from the table, all the way hanggang paglabas ng pinto, thank you lang ng thank you. That enough is overwhelming.
Kanina, ninervyos ako kaya tumataas yung dugo ko. Pero sabi naman ni Doc, okay lang. Maraming salamat dito sa foundation. Magagaling sila, mga babae.
Magandang pagkakataon at panahon sa taga Mindoro. Maraming salamat, Chuchi Foundation.
Chuchi Foundation, sana ay maulit pa uli. Talagang kanina ay naiiyak ako na hindi mawari kung ano dahil nung patanggal na siya, parang nabunutan ako ng tinik. Ganon, nung natanggal mo yung aking pinamukol ko. Sa mga katulad ko na mahirap, huwag lang mawalan ng pag-asa. Dahil minsan, meron talagang katulad nito, medical mission, i-grab ko natin. Talagang tears of joy. Kasi kumbaga ay talagang natangka. Pinagdadasal ko lagi ito.
Thank you, Chuchi Foundation.